All right, now we're ready to download and install Python. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your browser and head over to python.org. On this page, under the downloads, you can see the latest version of Python. Currently, the latest version is 3.7. Chances are in the future, when you're watching this video, there is a newer version available. Don't worry, all the materials in this course will continue to apply with the future versions of Python. So go ahead and download Python and then run it. If you're on Windows, you're going to see this checkbox here, add Python to path. This is very important. Make sure to tick it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to follow the course. So now go ahead and install it. Now let's verify that we have installed Python properly. If you're on Windows, here in this search bar, type CMD, which is short for command prompt. Now here in command prompt, type Python. You can see we have successfully installed Python version 3.7. Now to exit, press Ctrl Z and then enter. Done. If you're on Mac, press Command and space. This opens up the Spotlight search. So here type terminal. Terminal on Mac is like command prompt on Windows. Now Mac and Linux by default come with an older version of Python, that is version 2. So if you type Python, you can see Python 2 here. That's not what we want. So press Ctrl D to exit and then run Python 3. And this verifies that we have successfully installed Python 3.7.